Hi there everyone, welcome to my kitchen. This is your Jamaican girl Norleen, and today I will be doing avocado salad just for you. So family and friends, the ingredients I'll be using are 2 medium cucumber, 3 tomatoes, half of a small bell pepper, half of an onion, 3 medium avocado. I'm using some cracked black pepper, some cayenne pepper, some olive oil, some lime juice, and salt to taste. All right guys, I move straight to my vegetables. I've already washed them. I've peeled away some of the skin. It is for presentation. You can go ahead and score along the sides. It is up to you. Cut it in half, then you're going to dice it nicely. Do the same thing with your tomatoes. Cut them in half and cut them into nice dice size pieces. I then move guys to chopping my bell pepper finely. The size or the bite is up to you. However fine you want it, it's really up to you. I do the same thing for my onions. Chop them finely and put it aside. Now guys, I pause to welcome my new subscribers. Thank you so much for joining, and thank you for my viewers who have been joining week after week. Remember to like, to share my video, save it to your favorite playlist, and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you so much. So guys, I move straight into preparing my avocados. So I cut it in half, remove the seed, and then guys, I peel away the skin from my avocado. I then move straight into chopping them nicely into about cube size. If you want them bigger, it's up to you. The size doesn't really matter. The aim is to have a nice, delicious, fresh avocado salad. I will then move to combine all the ingredients in a large bowl. While I'm doing that, I will share with you the food for thought. In Psalms 10 verse 4, we are admonished that we are not to be like the wicked, who is too proud to acknowledge that there is a greater force than them. This greater force, my friends, is our Creator. He is our Lord Jesus Christ. I pause to recognize my celebrants. If you are celebrating a birthday, an anniversary, or whatever other extra special milestone in your life, know that Wim sees, loves, and appreciates you. A very extra special happy independence to all my viewers and subscribers. I pray for God's continual blessing on Jamaica land we love. All right, people, so I'm gonna jump right back in at the salad. I'm gonna add to that some lime juice. I'm actually using half of a small lime. I'm gonna add to that my finely chopped onion and bell peppers. I'm gonna stir this all in. Next guys, I will add to that about a teaspoon of cracked black pepper. I will add a teaspoon of olive oil, pinch of salt. Salt to taste is always up to you. And then I'm gonna add half of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. I'm gonna stir this all in guys, and my avocado salad is all done. People, avocado time in Jamaica, we call it pear. So you can turn your hand and make fashion and make your favorite avocado meal and share it with me in the comment section. Remember to follow me on other social media sites at Wim's Kitchen. Turn on your post notification, like my video guys, and of course save it to your favorite playlist. It's once again another of my mother's favorite, from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. Guys, I'll see you next week. Love, 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 love you. Mwah. I'll see you next week. Family and friends, I top this off with some hemp seed and seed there. I hope you enjoyed the time you spent in the kitchen with me cooking Jamaican style.